Next up, we have Eon Hodel Yang.
Hello, Young Buddha. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Let's take a seat.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions. You want to be a fashion designer. If you could make any piece of clothing, what would it be?
A piece of clothing I would make is a dress because I like how dresses flow when they're designed.
And do you know what kind of fabric you would make that dress with?
The fabric I would want to make that dress with is probably silk.
I like silk. If you could talk to one type of animal, what animal would you choose?
The animal I would want to talk to is a dove because they symbolize purity and grace.
I love that. And you also like to read. Do you have a favorite genre that you like to read? Like mystery, adventure, or fantasy?
The genre that I like to read in stories is fantasy because then you get to explore how they make depth in the books and stories.
And do you have like a favorite book that you like to read right now?
The favorite book I like to read right now is a part of a series called The False Prince.
I love that. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for Eon Yay!